What is up, guys? Today we have Kuru Ninja. This is by Elite Fireworks, part of their Pyro Ninja line. This is also part of the Kuru Warrior box set with two extra large fan cakes. They're kind of in between a fan and a zipper. I might say you could call them a zipper. They're a pretty decent size, just not as large as some of those super large zippers you see. And we have our pictures of the effects on the side here. So it looks like we have a bunch of varied effects as well. So it's 56 shots. And on the back here we have our description. So we have those 56 shots, 500 grams, 125 feet for the elevation, with 44-second duration. And our effects, we're going to have brocades, dahlias, and tails with vivid or vibrant red, vivid green, and gold or bold gold. For our details with this one, we have Kuru Ninja will create an amazing show of brocade crown breaking with red strobe, as well as red and green dahlia with a grand finale of I think you should probably say rising rain, tail to brocade crown with crackle. So let's go ahead and open this up, see how this fan pattern looks on this one. Turn around so it's facing the front. And now I have to remember where I set my knife. And there it is. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. There we go. Let's see how this looks. So it looks like we have a bunch of, these are probably 1/2 inch, maybe 3/8 inch shots. But we do have two rows of about 1 inch shots. And it looks like we actually finish with 1.5 inches, which is a pretty good bore diameter for a finale on a zipper style cake. So let's go ahead, take this thing out there and see what Kuru Ninja looks like. And go ahead and tell me what you think about it in the comments.